Hello, my name is Claire. You probably know me best for my writing here at DDIY, but after today, that all changes, and you'll know me for what I'm truly passionate about, which is carpentry. Just kidding. Today I'm going to be putting together the Bekant sit-stand desk. I got the one with the stained oak top and the white frame. This is from Ikea. The measurements, I got the one that is 47¼ inches by 31½ inches. They have a bigger one, but I am not working with that much space. So I got the smaller one. It arrived in 3 pieces. Let's start with the top. It is heavy. So this is the top. So it is this lovely pale oakish color. As you can see, it is still pretty decently big. Okay, it looks like this has instructions, very important, as well as, oh, that is solid. That's a leg. I'm gonna go with leg for that one. That's also a leg. And I'm guessing this is like the electrical components. Yes. Pieces. I'm not really sure where everything is supposed to go, but got the big legs here, top over there, and other miscellaneous components, if you will, in this box. I'm gonna try and put this together off screen because I have no clue how long it's going to take me. I'll come back when it's done and let you know how that all went. Hey y'all, so I finished setting it up. All in all, it took just under 2 hours. It would have taken less time if I had a power drill. I did have to kind of brute force some of the screws in there with just a manual screwdriver, but luckily it's kind of, I think it's particle board, so it wasn't super hard. All in all, pretty easy to put together. This is it at its tallest height. I am 5'6". If that is any indicator of how tall it would be in your home. Obviously this is taller than I will be using it at, but pretty good. If you're over 5'6", you can still get use from it. So let's try taking it down. Not super loud, which is pretty great. You do have to continuously hold the buttons on the side. And that's it at its shortest. Definitely would recommend. Pretty easy to put together, and I'm excited to use it.